I know what you're going through. The guilt, the shame, the endless cycle of "I'll stop tomorrow." Lust isn't just about pleasure, it's a trap. It drains your energy, your focus, your purpose. It makes you forget who you are and turns you into someone who can't even control a simple urge. You think it's harmless? Every time you give in, you lose something far more valuable than pleasure. You lose your self-respect. That's why you feel weaker after. Empty, numb. Because deep down, you know you betrayed yourself again. But here's the truth. You can defeat lust. You can take your power back. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start fighting for yourself instead of against yourself. Stop relying on willpower alone. Willpower fades. Systems save you. Build a life where lust has no place to hide. Block the triggers. Unfollow the poison. Lock your access. Make losing harder. Replace the habit. Don't just remove it. Move your body when the urge comes. Go for a walk. Hit push-ups. Journal your thoughts. Do something. Anything but staying still. And when that craving hits, ask yourself, what am I really looking for? Because it's not pleasure, it's comfort, escape. You're not lustful, you're lonely, bored, or hurt. Heal that, and lust loses its power. Imagine waking up clear-headed, in control, proud of yourself again. No guilt, no shame, just strength. Because you finally stopped running from your pain and started transforming it. You are not weak, you are untrained. And training starts today. Defeat lust, take back your focus. Take back your confidence. Take back your life. The real enemy isn't lust. It's the part of you that believes you can't change, but you can. You just needed to hear it from someone who's been there. Now go, fight back, win the war inside your mind.